So what's up everyone, Study Fun here, and today we're diving deep into a tool that pretty much everyone uses every single day, Google. But here's the thing, while we all use it to search for, well, everything, there's this whole other layer of features, tricks, and just plain fun stuff hiding right under the surface that most people have never even seen. We're talking about some seriously cool functionality baked right into the search engine and its ecosystem that can make you laugh, help you out in a pinch, or even unlock some powerful tools you didn't know you had access to. It's kind of wild to think about how much is packed into this platform. We're going to go beyond the basic search bar and explore some of my favorite hidden gems. These aren't just obscure fun facts. Some of these are genuinely useful tech tricks that might change how you interact with Google's services. From interactive games hidden in plain sight to powerful data management tools, there's a little something for everyone. So if you're ready to level up your Google game, stick around. This is the kind of stuff that's just fun to know. It's perfect for showing off to your friends or just for satisfying that little bit of tech curiosity. We've got 7 of my favorite hacks, tricks, and fun facts lined up. We'll walk through each one, how to access it, and what makes it so cool. Alright, no more waiting. Let's get right into it. Alright, first up, let's have a little fun and literally break the Google homepage. This one is a classic, but it's surprising how many people still haven't seen it. So what you're gonna do is open up a fresh browser tab and head over to google.com. In the search bar, you're going to type Google Gravity. Now, here's the key part. Instead of hitting the regular search button, you need to click the I'm feeling lucky button. If you don't see it, you might have to disable instant results in your settings, but for most people, it's right there. The second you click it, the entire homepage just collapses. The search bar, the logo, the buttons, everything tumbles down to the bottom of your screen as if gravity just got switched on inside your browser. And the coolest part is that it all still works. You can actually pick up the pieces with your mouse cursor and just toss them around the screen. You can even still type in the search bar, and the search results will fall down and pile up on top of the mess. It's a simple, brilliant piece of code and a perfect way to start our tour of Google's hidden side. Okay, so for our next trick, we're going to mess with your perspective just a little bit. This one is super simple. All you have to do is go to Google and search for the word askew. That's A-S-K-E-W. The moment you hit enter, you'll notice the entire search results page is slightly tilted. It's not broken, and your monitor is fine. Google is just having a little fun with you. It's a subtle but clever visual gag, and it's one of my favorite little Easter eggs they've hidden in the search results. But that's just scratching the surface of Google's Easter egg collection. They've built a ton of these over the years. For example, try searching for do a barrel roll, and watch your whole screen do a 360-degree spin, a clear nod to the classic Star Fox game. Or search for the answer to life, the universe, and everything, and you'll get the number 42, a reference for all the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy fans out there. There are so many of these little inside jokes and references peppered throughout search. It's like a treasure hunt for nerds. So, we've all seen the Google Doodles, right? Those creative, often animated redesigns of the Google logo on the homepage to celebrate holidays, anniversaries, and famous people. They're a nice little touch, but what a lot of people miss is that many of these doodles are not just animations. They're fully playable, interactive games. Google has built a massive archive of these, and they're all still available to play. You just have to search for Google Doodle games. Once you do, you'll find a treasure trove of them. There's the legendary Pac-Man doodle from 2010, where the Google logo itself becomes the Pac-Man maze. You can actually play a full game right there on the search page. There's also a surprisingly addictive cricket game they made where you play as a cricket batting against a team of snails. Or the Rubik's Cube doodle that lets you solve a virtual cube. It's a brilliant way they've used their platform to create these small, delightful experiences, and it's a perfect way to kill a few minutes. Now let's move on to something that is less of a fun trick and more of a genuinely powerful, almost futuristic tool that's built right into your phone. I'm talking about Google Lens. If you're not using Lens, you are seriously missing out. At its core, it uses your phone's camera to see and understand the world around you. You can point it at almost anything, and it will try to identify it. Point it at a plant, and it'll tell you the species. Point it at a landmark, and it'll give you historical facts. But it gets even better. One of the most useful features is its real-time translation. You can just point your camera at a menu in a foreign language, and Lens will overlay the translated text right on top of the original in real time. It feels like magic. It can also copy text from the real world, like from a book or a whiteboard, and let you paste it directly into your notes. Or you can take a picture of a math problem, and it'll help you solve it. Lens transforms your camera from just a picture-taking device into a powerful visual search engine. This next one is for all the data privacy and control advocates out there. It's a big one. We pour so much of our lives into Google's ecosystem. Our search history, our locations and maps, our emails and Gmail, our photos. But did you know that Google provides a tool that lets you download a complete archive of all of it? The service is called Google Takeout, and it's your one-stop shop for exporting your personal data from Google's servers. Using Takeout is pretty straightforward. You just go to takeout.google.com, and you're presented with a list of every single Google service you use. You can select exactly what you want to download. Maybe just your Google Photos or your entire YouTube history, including comments and watch history. You can then choose to get a download link via email or have the archive sent directly to another cloud service like Dropbox or OneDrive. It's an incredibly powerful tool for backing up your digital life or for migrating away from a service if you choose to. It's all about data portability. Okay, let's talk about a situation we've all been in. The internet goes down. You're in the middle of something important, you open a new tab in Chrome, and you're hit with that dreaded no internet page with the little pixelated T-Rex. It's the worst, right? Well, what if I told you that little dinosaur is actually your ticket to salvation from boredom? That screen is not just an error message. It's the gateway to a hidden endless runner game built directly into the Chrome browser. To play it, it couldn't be simpler. The next time you're offline and you see that little dinosaur, just hit the spacebar on your keyboard or tap the screen on your phone. The T-Rex will jump and the game will begin. You have to jump over cacti and duck under pterodactyls, and the game gets progressively faster and harder the longer you play. It's incredibly simple, yet surprisingly addictive. It's Google's clever way of making a frustrating situation, losing your internet connection, just a little bit more bearable. A small, thoughtful design choice. And finally, for our last one, let's look at a tool that is an absolute game changer for any students, researchers, or anyone who needs to find credible academic information. Regular Google search is great for everyday questions, but when you need to find peer-reviewed papers, scholarly articles, or academic journals, it can be tough to sort through the noise. That's where Google Scholar comes in. You can find it at scholar.google.com, and it's a version of Google dedicated entirely to academic literature. When you search for a topic on Google Scholar, the results you get are from academic publishers, universities, and professional societies. It shows you articles, theses, books, and abstracts. One of its most powerful features is the cited by link under each result, which shows you how many other academic papers have referenced that work, giving you a sense of its importance and impact in its field. It can even help you find full-text versions of papers, both free and paid. It's an indispensable tool for serious research, and it's completely free to use. So there you have it, 7 of my favorite Google hacks, tricks, and hidden features. From breaking the homepage with Google Gravity to finding serious academic papers with Google Scholar, there's a huge range of functionality hiding just beneath the surface. I think it's pretty cool that a company as massive as Google still takes the time to build in these little Easter eggs and genuinely useful tools that fly under the radar. It shows a certain level of craftsmanship and a sense of humor, which I can always appreciate in tech. Now I want to hear from you guys. Go and try some of these out for yourself. Let me know which one was your favorite, or if there's a really cool one that I missed, definitely drop it in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ones. and the comment section is usually a goldmine for this kind of stuff. Playing around with these features is the best way to discover what they can really do, so go have some fun with it and see what you can find. And of course, if you enjoyed this look into the hidden side of tech and want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. We're always digging into the tech you use every day to uncover the secrets you didn't know about. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.